How many fingers do you have? Let me see your fingers. How many fingers do you have in total?
10.
But I can see 11.
No, 10.
The 11, I'm seeing 11 fingers.
It's 10.
Let us count together. Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
But I'm seeing 11.
Wait a minute.
There is 10.
Let us count together. Fold them this way. Look this. Fold these hands this way, okay? Let's count together. Say 1.
1,
Then 2. We skip these 3. We skip how many?
3,
We skip how many?
3,
Then we continue now. 4, 5, then
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
My lord.
how many are they?
They are 11.
Niache nachanganyikiwa mjukuu wangu kweli.
But you said they are 10.
But in real sense, they are 11.
Okay, is it just me or am I tripping?